friends, it's Mimi here, and we're here for a fun Friday. We're going to do an activity. Now, earlier in the week, we did a circle time that was focusing on patterns. Do you remember the AB pattern? Well, let me give you a hint. We started out with sounds, so let's try and do some AB patterns with sounds. How about a snap and a tap? A snap and a clap. Let's try that. Snap, clap, snap, clap. Remember, an AB pattern is one thing, then a second thing, then back to the first thing, then back to the second thing. So snap, clap, A, B, A, B, A, B. You could do something else. It could be A, B, A, B, A, B, right? So we are going to make a necklace, or you could do a bracelet, and I thought I'd use some pasta. I picked some Ziti, but you could pick Rigatoni, which is even wider noodles. Let's see if you can see this here. Okay, get that nice up close. See, it's got, right? Okay, so you're going to need some noodles. You're going to need some food coloring. I picked red and blue, but you could pick any color you'd like. You can mix some colors, some primary colors to get secondary colors. You're going to need some zippered bags. And then you're going to need parchment paper or newspaper or something to lay them down to dry on. And we need one more item. We need rubbing alcohol. Okay, so you're going to use a teaspoon or maybe a little bit more than a teaspoon of this, since I'm going to be doing a lot of noodles at a time. You're going to need about 10 to 20 drops of your food coloring, so that depending on how dark you want the color to come out. And let's get started. Okay, so here we are. I have my teaspoon. I have my ziplock bags. I have my rubbing alcohol, and I have my Ziti pasta. So I'm going to take some handfuls, maybe 2 handfuls of pasta, put them in the bag. Then I'm going to start with blue. Okay, and I'm going to put about 20 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, made a little bit of a mess there. And then I'm going to take, like I said, some of the rubbing alcohol. Be careful with this. Have an adult help you. We don't want to get any of this in your eyes or on you. I'm going to put a little bit more than a teaspoon. Okay. Now here's the fun part. You zip it up and you shake, 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 shake it, shake, shake, shake it. Let's sing the ABC song while we shake. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right. Now I'm going to leave this here on the side to dry. To sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now I need to repeat the process and do it with red. So we're going to take 2 handfuls of pasta, because I want to make sure I have enough Ziti for my necklace. Might be too much, actually, because these are pretty big, long noodles, but that's okay. Maybe I'll make a second one for you. All right, and we're going to stick with the 20 drops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Put my cap back on. All right, let's get this open. We want to put a teaspoon of the alcohol and just a smidge more. Okay. And then we're going to zipper it carefully. And we're going to do the shake shake again. This is my most fun part. What song should we sing this time? How about, let's try that Down by the Bay again. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother would say, did you ever see llamas wearing pajamas down by the bay? Very good. All right, now that they're coated, I'm going to let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, friends, so we have let our ziti set for 15 minutes, and now it's time to pour it out. Let's see how the color came out. Ooh, nice and red. Let's see how the blues came out. Ah, nice color. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to get a spoon, just kind of separate the pieces, and then I'm going to let them dry for about a half an hour. I'll see how long it takes them to actually dry, but I estimate about a half an hour. Okay? And then we'll start making our necklaces. See you in a half an hour. Okay, it's been a half an hour, and as you see, my pasta is now dry. I have my blues and my reds, and now we're going to string it up on some yarn. Any color yarn will do. What you can do is take a regular straw, cut off a piece. Oops. Okay, can you see that? And then make a small slit, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my yarn, I'm going to put it through here, through the straw, and now in that slit, I'm going to, see, I put a piece of the yarn. Now this will be how I can thread. Have you ever seen your mom or grandma or someone thread a needle? Well, that's what we're going to do. This is my needle. Safe and easy. So now I take my first, remember we're doing A-B pattern. So I'll take a blue first and pull it through. There we go. Now what color should I do? Should I do blue again? No, it's an A-B pattern, so we're going to go for the next color. We're going to red. So I did blue, red. Now what do I do? Blue again, right. Blue, red, red. And keep going till you finish your necklace. And there you have it. We have red and blue, and that's our A-B pattern, right? Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So, I hope yours came out as festive as mine did. I'm excited to wear my new necklace. This would be a great gift for mom, dad, sister, brother, or keep it for yourself. Or you can make one for the whole family. It's easy enough to make. And all the things that you need, you probably have laying right around the house. Your yarn, your straw, your ziti, little rubbing alcohol, the food coloring, it's all right there. Now, if you don't have straw to make that little needle, you could just take some tape and put it around the end. That way, as the pasta is going, while the thread is going through the pasta, it doesn't get frayed and then harder to push through. And especially since these pieces are quite long, it takes the time out of trying to get it through the hole and pull it out, and it's just a lot easier with either putting tape around the end of the yarn to make it strong or putting the straw on. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you made your A-B pattern, and next time we'll do something different with patterns. This is Mimi signing off. Have a great weekend, and come back Monday for another read aloud. I know you'll enjoy it. Share, like, subscribe to Kids Stories and More, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.